Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. I want to go back and revisit a somewhat older case. Danny Masterson, the actor from That 70s Show, who was convicted of rapes and sentenced to 30 years to life. He appealed that decision and asked to be released on bond while his appeal was pending. So obviously if he's successful in his appeal, it would overturn the 30-year sentence and potentially leave him a free man or result in him getting a new trial, things of that nature. The appellate court said no, he cannot be released on bond pending his appeal. And a couple of the things they looked at was he's single, doesn't have any kids, wife, anything that would hold him to the area, and he's a flight risk because he's got money and could leave, right? And so essentially the court reasoned that this guy's looking at 30 years to life. He could potentially spend the rest of his days in a prison cell. What is his incentive to come back and turn himself back into prison if his appeal is unsuccessful? Not really that great. It'd be better for him to go to a non-extradition country and live out his days that way. So the court evaluated those factors and said, no, you have to stay in prison while your appeal is pending, which I think is a fairly normal thing. But interesting because we have this very successful actor who's now potentially spent the rest of his days in prison and can't even get out during the pendency of his appeal. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.